bad, bad thing to be. She's a giver, and a giver's even worse to folks like me. Cause I never really wanna be the one to hurt somebody, but it just keeps happening.
Get away from him!
Yeah, it just keeps happening.